Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Satsuma local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing to hire a cheap Satsuma moving company is a great idea. With 3 Movers, you get a local and long-distance moving company that's reliable and affordable. We offer the right options for your specific needs. When you need to move your home, apartment, dorm room, or even your business, we're ready to help. Relocating 100 miles away or further is a long-distance move. When you choose this service, you gain access to packing services. We provide complete packing and unpacking services to make your move super easy. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies give you the right options to protect your things throughout the move. An on-time move. We show up at the scheduled time and never delay your move. Upfront pricing. With a quote from us, you get the transparent pricing you need to set your budget. Licensed and insured. You can trust us with all your belongings since our movers are all licensed and insured. With the right movers, a long-distance move becomes simple. While the relocation process may still have some stress involved in it, you won't have to worry about the actual moving process. We make things easier so you can focus on other elements of your big move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Satsuma moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.